Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you are all doing well. Today, we've got something exciting to check out. So, PITAKA has just taken over their brand new band for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. And let me tell you, this one is a bit of a game changer. It's made 100% from carbon fiber, which gives it that sleek, modern vibe while keeping things incredibly lightweight and durable. Now, I'm not usually one to get too hyped about bracelet watch band, but this one has some really cool features like being sweat resistant and best of all, a strong magnetic clasp that makes it super easy to put on and take off. Unboxing wise, it's pretty simple to get into, no complicated packaging, just a straightforward, easy to open box. You will find this guide that explains everything from how to install the strap to how to extend it if you need a bit more length. And they included a link removal tool so you can adjust it to fit your wrist perfectly. And on the back of the guide, they've got a QR code that links to a video tutorial by them. So my first impression, honestly it feels way more premium than I expected. The band has this subtle texture finish that just screams quality. Plus, it's super light, weighing only 33 grams. If you've ever worn metal bands, you know those things can be heavy, often more than double this. So the lightweight feel here is definitely a nice surprise. This band is waterproof, so it will be fine against sweat and occasional water splash, but PITAKA recommends not fully immersing it in water because there are stainless steel pins inside. Extended exposure to seawater, for example, could cause some corrosion over time. Light moisture is fine, but don't go dunking in it in the ocean. Alright, I'll be pairing it with my titanium silver Galaxy Watch Ultra. First, we'll take off the current band. It's easy, just press the release button here, pull gently, and it comes off smoothly. Another thing I love about this PITAKA band is the advanced connector design. You press the sides and it pops up super easily. But when you are ready to put it back on, it has this magnetic attachment that's incredibly satisfying. And the magnet is actually pretty strong. So this way, the band practically snaps itself into place, and once it's connected, it's sturdy. So no worries about it coming off on its own. It also uses the same connecting mechanism as the new Galaxy Watches. You just press the release button again, line it up, and it clicks into place seamlessly. Just look at that. This band really elevates the look of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. It adds this premium, elegant looking while keeping it modern and comfy. However, with its full length, it's a bit large for my wrist. It has a max length of around 190mm, so if you've got a smaller wrist, you will need to shorten it. But don't worry, it's quite simple. Here is how it works. You insert the pin it comes with into these tiny micro holes on each link. Give it a gentle push and the link releases. Just a quick tip, be careful not to lose the little spring that comes with each link. Now being super honest, the first time I tried resizing it, I actually broke the tool because I wasn't sure what I was doing. I accidentally twisted the band while the pin was still in. But once you get the hang of it, it's easy. Just push, pull, and you are good to go. Luckily, I had a spare pin, so it wasn't a big deal. So I removed the two links from each side. Let's see if it's going to be enough. When you are ready to put the end link back, just put the spring one side in, use the pin tool to press the other side down, and voila. Let's try it on now that it's resized. And yeah, this feels super great. My favorite thing about it is the magnetic clasp, making wearing it on and taking it off totally a breeze. No need to fumble around, it just snaps on effortlessly and release with a single click. It's genuinely hassle-free, which is exactly what you want in a band you will be wearing every day. In my opinion, this watch strap from PITAKA checks all the boxes if you are into that metallic bracelet looking but don't like the weight or the hassle of a traditional metal band. It's comfortable, lightweight, and has a premium looking that really complements the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and it's just so convenient to use. And finally, if you are interested in picking one up, PITAKA is about to launch their Black Friday sale pretty soon, with discounts of up to 50%. I'll include the link below, so be sure to check it out. You never know what kind of deal you might score. Alright, that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Is it something you would consider for your Galaxy Watch Ultra? And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.